I have added 4 eggs to the Oreo cookies, and look what happened, something amazing. I will start adding in the blender 360 grams of cookies Oreo, and 4 eggs. Then I will add half a cup of oil, a cup of milk, which should be at room temperature, and I will blend everything very well for a few minutes. Guys, this recipe mixing cookies and eggs is very delicious and very quick to prepare. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Once well liquefied, I will add all the mixture to a bowl. And I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. Although you may think that since cookies are sweet, it would not be necessary to add sugar, but I recommend adding it, so that the recipe fits well. Once the sugar is well incorporated, I will add half a cup of flour, and mix again until I get a mixture without lumps. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Christina Tiu from Philippines, also for Fiza Abedin from Indonesia, and Wapakina Karigas from Namibia. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And to finish our mixture, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder, also a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and I will mix to incorporate these 2 ingredients. I assure you friends that you will like this recipe. It is simple to make and super delicious. My family loves it from the first day I made it. Next, I will add all the mixture in a cake pan. This one I greased with butter, and I also floured it. This is to prevent our rich sponge cake from Oreo cookies from sticking to the mold. Now I will take it to the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 or 45 minutes. After 45 minutes in the oven, and our cookie cake is ready. Look how rich and fluffy it has been. But I'm going to decorate it by adding icing sugar on top. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love cookies Oreo, to send you a very special greeting. I'm also going to add a bit of colored sparks, but this step is optional. And so our cake has been, but I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.